Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu Papa has finally taken another drastic action. He don't take another action. Hey, my lovely fans, when I tell una say all is not well with Juju Ekwensu, believe me, all is not well. This woman is going through a lot. You see what Juju Ekwensu do? She is paying for each one of them. And she is paying in a very hard way. She is paying in a way that she cannot even explain what she's going through. My lovely fans, make una carry share come o. Hey, make una come hear the one way Juju Ekwensu dey do now. Yesterday, Juju Ekwensu was found roaming round the estate of their house for Abuja. They go carry Juju Ekwensu come house. She dey turn round. She say she no know where she dey stay again. She was looking confused, turning round and walking round. They have to call security before they can go call the children. They can carry Juju Ekwensu go house. She dey turn around. She say she no remember where her house dey. She lost her memory. She was turning around like crazy person. She dey waka, she dey talk to herself, she dey cry. She say she no know where her house dey. For the same estate where they dey. That one no be kilometers. That is what we call depression. Depression dey worry this woman. Hey. So, according to the information, the children of Juju Ekwensu called her father and her mother. Say the one way their mama dey now, they no understand. Say their mama dey behave funny these days. Is either she's happy, over happy, or she's crying, or she's talking, or she want to buy herself. Hey, they know they tell person that one. No, that is depression, my people. So the children come report give. They come call Juju Ekwensu papa and mama, tell them, say, see the situation of their mother. Then they don't even know what to do. Because they are confused. They don't know what to do with her. Then they call you go say, go call back, go call back. If you call, they talk well. Like you is not ready to help Juju Ekwensu. In this situation, he might just concentrate on himself. Now Juju Ekwensu papa, look the way they explain everything give her. Now Juju Ekwensu papa come to say, this condition of Juju Ekwensu, it don't pass their hand. The man come tell Juju Ekwensu mama say, make they go beg May Edochie. Say nothing they do their daughter than the evil she did to May Edochie. If na only the son can't believe Chukwu, where Juju Ekwensu desperately remove for road because she want her children to be noticed. He said that alone, he no see anything wey go forgive Juju Ekwensu than her confessing and begging May Edochie. Juju Ekwensu papa come tell mama Juju Ekwensu say this battle don't pass them. Before one day Juju Ekwensu come miss. Juju Ekwensu papa say they need to go and beg May Edochie before this thing come become public disgrace. This one way don't they do for inside house now. Don't they do behind closed door. If they don't use hand take follow am, before you know, hey, Juju Ekwensu go they do this thing publicly. Now papa Juju Ekwensu say at this point na to go beg May Edochie. Mama Juju Ekwensu say for what? Beg May Edochie to do wetin? She go beg May Edochie say that one no dey happen. Say anything wey they do Juju Ekwensu must get solution. They say that mama Juju Ekwensu go dey waka. Waka say he won't solve Juju Ekwensu problem. Where the woman go, they tell her say Juju Ekwensu wetin dey do am na seasoning something. They say wetin dey do am na seasoning something, get the period wey the thing take dey worst. Una know say we dey always dey come, we say Juju Ekwensu run kilometers. Juju Ekwensu run kilometers. Some people will come and say, now be the Juju Ekwensu we just see we do video. So which time it take kolo? Una never understand wetin they call spiritual attack. Spiritual attack, na some kind thing wey go dey worry person. The person go think say e dey okay. E not just they give the person the sign when the person go say make him find solution for a body. Now when e remain 2 minutes to go, now the person go know say, how will she know if for go do find solution? If na church or if na mosque or anywhere where you wan go find solution, if for go waka go find solution. But that time when the person go take realize, e don too late. Na im make una see say Juju Ekwesu sometimes e go dey normal. Sometimes we go come tell una say Juju Ekwesu dey kolo. That thing wey dey tell una no be joke. They say na seasoning sickness na dey worry am. Now they tell Mama Juju Ekwesu say make Juju Ekwesu go beg May Edochie, the woman wey destroy her home. Now Mama Juju Ekwesu say so May Edochie don strong reach like that. May Edochie don start to dey do juju wey fit hold him daughter. Now they tell Mama Juju Ekwesu say the woman no do juju. Na God na dey fight this woman battle. All the things wey your daughter plan make e go hit this woman, na e return back. They all return back to your daughter. Now those things wey you wish this woman, na e dey worry am. Remember, this your daughter send depression go give May Edochie at the very beginning. Hey, una know say that thing, physically it was depression, spiritually it was colometus madness. I tell una this thing, people wey dey follow me then, if una remember, I tell una say wetin dey do May Edochie spiritually na madness, na dey want, na dey true. Physically that thing come be depression. May Edochie even come out, people wey dey follow this story, May Edochie even come out say she depressed. Now a woman that come out to tell us she was depressed, only church where she go, where Reverend Father hold her hand pray, depression disappear. Depression not dey disappear. May Edochie won't disappear. That is to tell you that it is a spiritual attack. Any sickness when pastor pray or they do native doctor or anything to heal the person, no say that thing a spiritual attack. Depression when it come for normal thing, they know they use prayer till they come out. Now psychologist, now the person go see. When it be say they come they talk to the person, you constantly pray say God, may God help the person. Not be say they'll just say I bind it, I rebuke it, the thing will just disappear. Anything will disappear like that, now spiritual attack. Now so May Edochie will take disappear. Not knowing say na Juju Ekwesu throw that depression to May Edochie. The kind of depression when they throw go give May Edochie be say, when she don't they complain of depression, then the thing will come be like colometus. Then this woman enemy, which is May Edochie, go come enter street they colo. People go come they say na that depression when he fall into, na he make am dey colo. That was what they threw to May Edochie. When May Edochie come go church, they prayed for her. The depression returned back to Juju Ekwesu. But Juju Ekwesu no say that thing na return back to sender. She can't dey feel say that thing dey with May Edochie. Some kind battle wey God dey fight, we know they know. My people, that depression return back to Juju Ekwesu, she no know. Now that depression wey he saying go give May Edochie, now they worry am so. Now they worry am. She gets spiritual depression, she get physical depression, because Juju Ekwesu is going through a lot. You know, say I do video just now when I talk about Peter Edochie denying the children of Juju Ekwesu. I see most people comment, they say, oh, grandpapa is pretending. Grandpapa no wan accept am. No be grandpapa won't talk whether he won't accept them. Now the ancestors won't talk whether they accept the children. Grandpapa no get voice for them. You see that stuff, if grandpapa lie, that thing can strike his enemy. Una know. So grandpapa no get voice to talk say, oh, behind closed door I go accept them. That staff has rejected them. You don't know what it means. The staff of the ancestors have rejected them. So Juju Ekwesu as it is now, all those things now she dey go through, now those one be a physical depression. With the success of May Edochie wey better person, with how May Edochie can't subdue her, how May Edochie can't put Juju Ekwesu to shame, those are a physical depression. With the yo when they call, they fight for, that one I don't throw it down for corner. All those one are physical depression wey dey worry Juju Ekwensu. Then the spiritual one are the one when he throw go give May Edochie say make May Edochie enter depression, from depression make the woman go kolo. Na I can return back to Juju Ekwensu. When Juju Ekwensu don take the kolo right now. They say for inside estate, if you see Juju Ekwensu, she was looking confused. They not even queen no say na she. She just dey talk, dey go. She was crazy. No be say he look, she was crazy. She dey mad. She dey mad. Now they say make they go beg. Mama Juju Ekwensu say no dey beg. Papa Juju Ekwensu, they say the man don dey find how he wan take connect go meet May Edochie. The man say he won't confess, make Juju Ekwensu no go by. Because at this point, Juju Ekwensu may not be like say one day, he kolo enter street, he not come out again. Una see and say yesterday now she come out. Now people carry and come house. She not come remember where their house dey. She can't dey confused. She can't whether she dey kolo, whether na the depression. She herself not come know wetin dey worry am. So the papa said they cannot continue like this. The papa said they cannot continue like this. He said so he wants make they go beg May Edochie because that is the only solution. The thing where they worry Juju Ekwensu na the evil when he throw go give May Edochie. Na him backfire against Juju Ekwensu. Hey. Papa Juju Ekwensu don dey find May Edochie dey go. Make him go beg May Edochie say May Edochie biko no biko forgive my daughter. But Mama Juju Ekwensu say he won't use Juju take face am. Okay, oh. This is now battle between them and God. Because May Edochie is not in a battle with them. Their battle is between them and Baba God Almighty. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. We want Juju Ekwensu in all year. It's time for her to pay for all the evil when she do against May Edochie. My lovely fans, this is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.